Dawn breaks, the river wakes. Are you ready for what adventure takes? Welcome to the exhilarating world of high-speed boat tours on the iconic Hudson River. Imagine the cool spray of water on your face, the thrilling roar of the engine in your ears, the adrenaline rush as you zip and zoom with the New York skyline blurring by. This isn't just any boat ride, it's a race against the river, an adventure like no other. Before we delve deeper into these adventures, we've included links in the description to additional information and resources, so make sure you check those out. Now that you're hooked on this adventurous outlook, let's talk about how you can book. Navigate online to the High Speed Boat Tours website. Choose your preferred date and time. The summer months offer the best weather and visibility. Booking in advance is key, as these popular tours fill up fast. With your reservation locked in, you can look forward to the exhilarating rush of racing the Hudson. So, are you ready to zip and zoom along the iconic Hudson with the New York skyline blurring by? After a day filled with adventure, you'll need a comfortable place to rest. The Hudson River area offers a variety of accommodations to suit every taste and budget. For those who enjoy the finer things in life, there are luxury hotels with stunning river views. If you're a nature enthusiast, you'll love the scenic campgrounds nestled along the riverbanks. From the hustle and bustle of city hotels to the quiet serenity of campgrounds, your Hudson River adventure doesn't end with the boat tour. Whether you prefer the luxury of a hotel or the natural beauty of a campground, there's a perfect place for everyone near the Hudson. That's all the time we have for today's high-speed adventure. We've taken you on a thrilling journey, racing the Hudson with the New York skyline blurring by. We've shown you how to book your own high-speed boat tour, and even suggested accommodations nearby, from cozy hotels to rustic campgrounds. Now it's your turn to experience the roar of the engine, the splash of the waves, and the thrill of speed. If you found value in this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more adventures.